Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Give a quick shout out as always to everyone watching the video today. We always appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you guys go ahead and mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you haven't already to receive those notifications. Anybody watching this video for the first time or anybody that just still hasn't taken advantage of it, we'll be revealing our free ebook at the end of this video, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some things you'll need to know in order to get started in this market and profit quicker. So let's take a look at the markets real quick. We'll look, we had some changes over the weekend in bias. So we'll look at the chart. So we'll go back to the daily real quick. Kind of open this up a little bit. We got some zones marked up in here. We were originally, last time we spoke, we were bullish, hoping this would continue its way and pass these marks here. But once we hit this wick here, we got denied again, and then the big red bullish, or excuse me, bearish candle gave us notification, especially when we fell under the second mark here, that we were probably going to see some downside and break this trend line here. So we went short in these areas. I've already closed mine, even though I think it could move farther down. I've closed my short on BitMEX, and I'm just waiting to see how this area reacts right now. We've had this area marked as our first target. The second target was down in this area for BitMEX, but I mean the real concern is down here. We can draw a big zone here, and this has always been a big zone for us. You can mark the whole thing here. So this could happen as well. It could take a while to get there. We'd probably see a retest of this area and try to break down. But I mean, I think in all reality, this is going to be a short retest, and that we're going to see some more upside. I don't want to cancel that out. I mean, my bias was switched to go short on just a trading, from a trading point of view, but I don't think it's going to last. I like the rally we just had. I think we might see a big correction and then more upside. So I'm kind of just sitting back and watching how this down leg moves. The reason I jumped out is because it kind of spiked down, and I just wanted to get out of the trade instead of seeing what happened or seeing this turn into a big wick like something like this right here. You know, to spike down, hit an area, spike back up, and maintain within this area here. So I'm kind of waiting. Correlations with Ethereum are as always looking, you know, fairly the same. We've had a break in the trend line from this area here. Could not sustain this zone just like on Bitcoin. So I think we could retest the 61.8 area first. We still haven't broken any structure, guys, even though we have retested. Even if we retest all the way down here, as long as we don't break this area, we still haven't really broken structure. We just broke this trend line temporarily. So we'll see what continually happens, and we'll keep our eye on Bitcoin and any other news articles or anything that I think is really worthy of something really moving, which I haven't really seen much of that. Besides maybe ADA jumped about 12%, or excuse me, about 20% in the last 7 days because they launched their new 1.5 version of their crypto. So check that article out. ADA launching 1.5 version did see it surge. You know, I do think that, you know, with this new version and with everything else they've got going on, with the changes in their whole, you know, basically system, I do think that Coinbase Pro will be listening very, very shortly. You know, we haven't seen much of a Coinbase effect, as we used to call it, where, you know, when something hit Coinbase, it surged because XLM just hit and it didn't really surge. So I think that's kind of worn itself out with the whole Coinbase effect. That really played itself in when we were in that bull, that bull surge that we had, that straight surge we had towards, astronomical levels. And anytime anybody said anything about this could be listed on Coinbase, that just that news drove it through the roof. We don't have that effect anymore, so we're just gonna kind of see what happens. But either way, guys, we're taking a look at Bitcoin and Ether. Something you guys want to check out, you know, I've been kind of looking at is crypto total market cap with and without Bitcoin. I've got total 1 and total 2 here. So they are a little bit differently as far as how they're reacting and what areas they're reacting in. But I got a total market cap. It's kind of like watching the dollar index when you're trading for forex, because if you know where the dollar index is going, if you know where the dollar is going, it helps you trade your pairs better. So I look at the total with Bitcoin and a total without Bitcoin. So make sure you guys start looking at that. We'll go more into it as I start to study more. I've been using these for about a week now, but I want to see how they correlate with everything else. I've been using Bitcoin and Ether a lot. I usually trade a lot of XRP, but I've been staying away from it lately. So I've been staying, with Bitcoin a lot and Ether a lot, because they're just two very, very similar tokens, and very similar crypto. And I like to trade the one that has the best setup. So right now, like I said, I'm just waiting to see if this is going to bounce back up or break straight through this region. It'll give me a good idea what my next move is. That's all we guys have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back tomorrow. Make sure you go down in the description below. Click that link. That's your free ebook. We also got a training series completely free. It's a long series. It's not something that's too short. It's going to tell you guys everything you need to know, A to Z, for the cryptocurrency market. That's given to you free by Cody Sperber himself, the clever investor, guys. So make sure you click that link. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, same place.